Earlier today, Spirit Airlines kicked off its 4th of July with a foam celebration. The unfortunate festivities started when the fire suppression system was inadvertently set off at the airline's maintenance hangar at Detroit Metro Airport. With the hangar doors being open, the foam also flowed onto the hangar's ramp. The system was most likely set off by the lightning storm that passed over Metro Airport around 5 p.m. local time. At the time of the event, the hangar housed an A321 and A320 aircraft, as well as 3 aircraft on the ramp. Besides the large mess that took WCAA Fire and Rescue the better part of the rest of the day to hose down, the foam causes a large risk to the aircraft involved. In most cases, the chemicals used in the foam fire retardant are very corrosive and can lead to extensive downtime for the aircraft that were involved while they are inspected and repaired from the foam not only getting on them, but in the cabin and making its way down into the electrical bays as well as into engines and bleed components. Completed in 2017 at a cost of $32 million, Spirit's 126,000 square foot Detroit Metro hangar is one of the airline's primary maintenance locations. Its original hangar in DTW was torn down in 2011. The airline uses this location for scheduled and unscheduled maintenance, engine changes and other engine work, and cabin interior modifications on its Airbus A320 and 321 CO and NEO aircraft.